You have been looking for videos to manifest your desire. Here it is. I can summarize the law in one single line, and that line is, whatever you assume and feel to be true is true. That is the law of assumption, Neville Goddard's core teaching, which has assisted me and many others around the world in overcoming limitations and manifesting their desires. Some of you are aware of it, while others might be hearing it for the first time. Whatever the case may be, if you look at yourself daily, you will notice that at every moment you are assuming something. You are assuming yourself to be a certain way, and you are assuming some events will happen a certain way. Some events happen while others don't, and the ones that don't happen are because of your contradictions. You say something, and then you make a counter-assumption that nullifies its effects. That is why it is critical to determine where your focus is. Are you focusing on the assumptions that tell you got what you wanted or the opposite? In this digital age, your focus is highly important, and these supergiant companies that have made their social media apps to connect you to people are taking advantage of your focus. They have designed their apps in such a manner that you spend your time mostly on them. Your focus and attention are the profit they are making. To manifest anything, your focus is the most important thing in life. As you focus on something, you start creating assumptions, and when you make assumptions and persist in them, this reality starts showing you some evidence that strengthens your assumptions. As this assumption starts getting stronger and stronger, it starts to feel true. Then it gets manifested outwardly. So, my main question is, are you investing your thoughts or spending them? And if you are investing them, where are you focusing? Your thoughts must be an investment, as they give you returns, while spending gives you temporary pleasure. Investing your thoughts in the right cause gives you massive returns. Unlike the physical world, where you invest money, in your mental world, your attention is the currency you invest. I dare you, even if you don't believe in manifestation, to just follow this one simple activity every day. When you wake up, don't get out of bed until you've convinced yourself that today will be a fantastic day, and that everything you do will turn your dream into a reality. Whatever may happen is leading you to your desired reality. Now, when you do this, your energy suddenly rises, you start feeling different, and you must go about your business. Doing this just for a week will change your reality in a massive way that you can't even imagine right now. You will notice that the way you speak to yourself or the way you think matters the most. It is your mindset that matters. Things start happening automatically when you are focused on the right thing. When your attention is diverted again and again to the state of wish fulfillment, you don't think about doing something to get what you desire. Your actions are automatic, and you behave in a certain manner automatically. You don't question whether something is possible or not. You know you've got this. Things become possible with the consistent use of the law of assumption, and my daily golden nuggets are just a way to direct your attention towards your desired reality. I only take up 5-6 minutes of your day, but for the rest of the day, your attention matters most. Where are you focusing? Are you busy watching the booty-shaking reels, or are you constantly comparing yourself to the social media influencers? In both cases, you are misusing your attention. Are you praising yourself enough? Are you speaking to yourself kindly or not? You are on the right track if you elevate yourself through your words and inner dialogue. Others are unimportant because if you can't keep yourself happy, and if you can't enjoy your own company, others won't either. In this whole world, even if you are manifesting your specific person, you have to remember that you matter the most and that all others are temporary. They are just with you for a short duration of time. During the whole day, you stay by yourself, and these people visit you, leave, and then come back. Don't put them on a pedestal. Don't become a supporting character in your movie when you are the main character of your movie. You are always choosing your reality. You are choosing your experiences, perceptions, the way you act, the way you think, etc. You choose it through your assumptions. If you choose every day that you are an ugly loser whose life is meaningless, life will show you what you believe to be true. But I know all of the people watching this video are lovely, beautiful people. I can say that because you have realized that staying in your comfort zone is useless. You are finding ways to overcome your present limitations that are reflected in your physical reality. You are motivated to experience something different. But I must tell you, motivation is temporary. Consistency and discipline will take you to places you can't even imagine. And by consistency, I do not refer to taking consistent action. I always refer to consistently choosing thoughts of success. I have witnessed that before knowing about this law of assumption, I had always asked Google about how to be successful, or how to do this or that. The results that appeared always indicated that I should take some action. But later, when I applied the law to certain areas of life, I noticed something wonderful. I noticed that our body and mind automatically take the necessary actions. I noticed that I do not have to remind myself to do something in order to get the desire, but my body automatically starts doing the necessary tasks to achieve that. All of it became possible when I changed the way I thought about myself and my desires. When I changed my perceptions and assumptions, everything started aligning and everything started happening effortlessly. All because, whenever my attention wandered in a negative direction, I was able to redirect it to my desired reality. I managed to uplift myself by reminding myself that I have been sent into this physical reality to experience my desire. My desires didn't present themselves just like that. There is a reason behind them, and that reason is to experience them. So, assume yourself to be a beautiful person who is a winner. Assume you are wealthy and successful, and you have access to all the love in the world. Don't focus on how it will all come to you. Just focus on being this version of yourself who has everything. I hope this video helps you in your journey. Subscribe for more such videos. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.